For this activity, I'm going to teach you how to make a Thanksgiving word cloud using worditout.com. So the first thing you're going to need to do before we start making the word cloud on the website is you are going to need to make a list of 10 things you are thankful for. So I just got my notebook paper here and I numbered them 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. When you make your word cloud, the one that is number 10, you're going to type that 10 times, so that is going to show up biggest in your word cloud. The lower it is on your list, the smaller it's going to show up on your word cloud. So the one I put for number 10 is the one that is most important to me. It's the one that I want to show up biggest on my word cloud. So for number 10, I put family. Number 9, I put friends. Number 8, dog. Number 7, health. Number 6, food. Number 5, students. I'm very thankful for all of you. Number 4, job. Number 3, technology. Number 2, clothes. And number 1, doctors. And of course, there's more things I'm thankful for, but I just made my list of 10. Now that I've got my list ready, I'm going to show you how to do the word cloud on worditout.com. If you want, you could even make your list on a Google Doc or whatever works for you, but you're going to need to be able to see this when you go on worditout.com. So for me, it's just easier to do it on a piece of paper so that I can have it next to me when I'm ready to start typing. All right, so I'm going to switch over to my iPad now and show you how to do worditout.com. Okay, now we are ready to make our worditout.com word cloud. So I'm going to open Safari, and the website name is worditout.com. Worditout.com. All right, and then when I get there, it's going to bring me here, and we are going to go to create your own. So I'm going to press right here on the green. And then this box is where we're going to type in the 10 things we are thankful for. And remember, you made your list, so the one that was number 10, we need to type that 10 times. So mine was family, and you can just go ahead and type it 10 times. Or I'm going to show you really quick how to copy paste. It's very easy. If you want to try it, you can. I'm just going to triple tap on my word with my finger. So I go 1, 2, 3, and it gives me these choices underneath. I'm going to tap copy, C-O-P-Y, and now I'm going to tap in the white space after the word family. If I just press and hold for a second in the white next to it, it gives me these choices up here, or it may come down here. I'm going to press paste, and it's going to paste it. And I can just keep going, press and hold for a second, paste. Press and hold for a second, paste. All right, so that's a little bit faster. So I'm going to do that until I have family 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, then I'm going to press return, and I'm going to do my word that I had 9 times. That's friends. And again, you can type it 9 times, or you can do your triple tap, copy, and paste. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, I'm going to continue typing, and I will show you the next step after I have all my words typed in. So I will be back in a minute or two. All right, now I am done with all my typing. I've got family 10 times, friends 9, dog is 8, health 7, food 6 times, students 5 times, job 4, technology 3, clothes 2, and doctors 1. One thing I should mention, if you have something you're thankful for and it's more than one word, you're going to need to type it with no space. Otherwise, it's going to split them up when you make your word cloud. So that's why when I did the things I'm thankful for, I picked things that were all one word. Like instead of dog, if I had said my pets, it wouldn't work because it's going to split those up in my cloud. My would show up by itself and pets would show up by itself, and it would look funny. So try to keep your ideas at one word. Otherwise, it gets kind of funky. All right, so now that I have them all typed in, I'm going to go here to where it says generate. And it makes my word cloud. Now it just picks something random, but I can change what it looks like over here. If I don't like it, I can ask it to regenerate and pick something else, and I can keep tapping that. Or if I want to pick things myself, I can use these different settings over here. This one will let me pick the font. This one lets me pick the colors. And again, you can just have it random. But if you want to pick your colors, you can. So you can pick your background color. And you can pick your colors you want for your words. This is a little different than what we're used to using for picking colors, so I'm just probably going to do the random on generate. You can pick the layout, how you want them to show up, and your size. Okay, but I'm just going to pick regenerate and keep going until I find one I like. Okay, and I'm going to switch that back to random too. All right, when I'm done, we are not going to save it to the cloud. You could if you want, but I'm just going to take a screenshot of it. Maybe I'll zoom in a little bit. I'm going to press my home button and my power button at the same time to take a screenshot. All right, I'm just going to do a quick screenshot. I press the home button and the power button at the top at the same time. Sometimes it takes a couple tries if I don't get it exactly right at the same time. There it goes. Now I'm going to tap that. And if I want, I can just crop it down like that. Looks good. I'm going to say done and save to photos. Okay, now when I go to my photos on my iPad, there it is. And I would love it if you share it to me. Just go to that arrow right there and you can send it right to Seesaw. Right from here. Just tap Seesaw and make sure you are in the technology class. Find your name and submit it to me. All right, and that is how to make a word cloud on worditout.com.